everyone, welcome to another video. Now let's find the value of x and y. Here we are given 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of y equals to 128. Okay, we can write this in terms of what? Base 2 to be 2 raised to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 7. Now applying the first law of indices in this case, that is, if we apply the property a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this will be a to the power of m plus n. Okay, this is the power rule for exponent. So we apply that in this case. Then we have 2 raised to the power of 2x plus y equals to 2 raised to the power of 7. Then we can cancel the base on both sides so that the new equation will be 2x plus y equals to 7. And this is our equation 1. Okay, then for the second equation, okay, the second exponential equation, we have 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 2y to be equals to 9 raised to the power of xy. Okay, this can be written in terms of 3 raised to the power of 2. So we have 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 2y on the left hand side to be equals to 3 raised to the power of 2 times xy. Okay, then this equation will now reduce to 2x plus 2y equals to 2xy. Now we can divide this equation by 2 so that we can have a new equation which is x plus y equals to xy. So this will be our equation 2. Remember, our goal is to find the values of x and y. So we can use, in this case, we have 2 equations. We have the first equation is 2x plus y equals to 7. And then we have the second equation to be x plus y equals to xy. This is equation 1, and then this is equation 2. Okay, now we can use equation 1 to solve equation 2. And to do that, let me write from equation 1. We can say that y equals to 7 minus 2x. Then we can also call this equation 3. So that we can, now by the time we substitute 7 minus 2x for y in equation 2, now substitute 7 minus 2x for y in equation 2. We have x plus y equals to xy. That's equation 2. So that x plus 7 minus 2x equals to, also we have x multiplied by 7 minus 2x. Okay, that is when we substitute for y in equation 2. All right, so x minus 2x, that will be minus x. So this will be 7 minus x equals to, distributing x to remove the parentheses. In this case, this will be 7x minus 2x squared. Now, let me rearrange the equation for us to have a standard quadratic equation. And that will be 2x squared, okay, minus 7x minus x plus 7 equals to 0. And this will be 2x squared minus 8x plus 7 equals to 0. All right, so at this point, we can now what? We can now solve for the value of x. So in this case, I'm going to apply quadratic formula. So applying quadratic formula, that is formula method. We know that x is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So a will be 2, b is minus 8, and then c equals to 7, which is from this equation. So now x will be now minus negative 8, that will be plus 8, plus or minus plus or minus minus 8 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, then multiply by c, which is 7, divide by 2 times a, which is 2, so that x will be equals to 8 plus or minus, this is 64, minus 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 times 7, that will be 56, divided by 4. Divide by 4. Okay, so now x will be equals to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 56. That will be 8. So we have root 8 divided by 4. So that the first value of x will be 8 plus, we know that root 8, that will be 2 root 2 divided by 4. And this will be x1 equals to 8 divided by 4, that's 2. 2 divided by 4, that will be 1 half. So we have 2 plus 1 half of root 2. That is the first solution. Now for the second solution, x2, that is when we have 8 minus root 8, which is 2 root 2 divided by 4. So that x2 will be equals to 8 divided by 4, that's 2. Negative 2 root 2 divided by 4, that will be 1 half of root 2. And this is x2. That's the value of x2. So we can use these two values, okay, to also find the values of y. Okay, so now for the values of y, so we're going to start with the first one here. Okay, now to find y, okay, we know that from y equals to 7 minus 2x. Now, when we have x1 to be equals to 2 plus 1 half of root 2. Now, y will be equals to 7 minus 2, open parenthesis, 2 plus 1 half of root 2. So that y will be equals to, this will be the first value of y also. So 7 minus negative 2 times 2, that will be minus 4. Minus 2 multiplied by positive 1 half of root 2. That's going to be negative root 2. 7 minus 4. Then we can say that y1 equals to 3 minus root 2. So this is the first value of y. Again, when we have x2 to be equals to 2 minus 1 half of root 2, then we can also obtain another value for y, and that will be, we have y equals to, that will be y2 equals to 7 minus 2, open parenthesis, 2 minus 1 half of root 2. If you distribute negative 2 in this case, this is going to be 7 minus 4, negative 2 times minus 1 half of root 2. That will be plus root 2. Yeah. So 7 minus 4, that will be, 7 minus 4 is 3. So we have 3 plus root 2. So therefore, when x is equals to 2 plus 1 half of root 2, okay, then y is equals to 3 minus root 2, okay. Then when x is equals to 2 minus 1 half of root 2, then the value of y is 3 plus root 2. And this is our final, this is the solution to the question. And we've come to the end of this tutorial. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.